Okay. So to begin with, I will explain about the Telkom University. Telkom University based in location in Bandung. We are the best private university until now from the Ministry of Education. Bandung is only 2 hours for the capital city Jakarta. We have more than 30,000 students, and we also have more than 60,000 alumni. We have 5 research center, one of center of excellence, and more than 30 research group. So okay, so our president, the Mr. Jokowi, have convey 5 work program, and one of them is about infrastructure construction. So why TIP Community Lab also built in Indonesia? Because one of the goals is to fulfill the government aspiration to improve the socio-economic values and also for developing the digital transformation nationally in Indonesia. We offering 5 programs. One of them is TIP Community Lab as the place to do the lab trial, to plug the phase and also to do the R&D. And we also do the TIP demo. This is to provide the field trial and also the commercial deployment. And the third one, we also preparing the TIP startup. We call it TIP Ecosystem Acceleration Center. In our university also, we have an incubator center. So we provide how we prepare a new startup related to the Open RAN and to the open network solution. And the other things that we do in our lab, it's also TIP learning. This is how we create the bootcamp, the training, the workshop, and also the hackathon program. And the TIP event, this is the awareness event, like maybe all of you knows that Open RAN is still a quite new things in Indonesia. So many awareness event is really need in Indonesia right now. So when the TIP Community Lab launched in 2020, exactly in 17 December 2020, this community lab initiated by Ministry of ICT in Indonesia. And why in Telkom University? Because Telkom University the only one university that focusing in telecommunication science and informatic technologies. So if you see in this slide that all the MNOs in Indonesia and then also system integrators and then vendor and all industry come together in the launch event. We are starting with the baseline that why the Open RAN is really need in Indonesia right now. And start from that point, we have the program, 5 pillar program that we do, that the build awareness. The first one is the build awareness. And then also the second one, we do the testing and validation. And then also we do the trial and deployment and build the local skills and capacity building. And the other thing is preparing the local manufacturing in Indonesia. So we join and work together between the private sectors and then the government, the academia, and also the community. We call it Quad Helix collaboration. 5 pillars that I present today is still ongoing right now in our lab. Before I continue with this slide, also in Indonesia, Indonesia is very famous with the archipelagos island. We have more than 17,000 islands from 34 provinces. So many places in Indonesia still don't have internet connection. And also, even in the city areas, still there is many blank spots. So this is why Indonesia is the right field to develop the Open RAN. So if you see from the slide, this is our guests, this is our partners come to our lab to see what we do in the lab. The governors, the mayor, the industry, not only from Indonesia, but from around the world come to our lab to sharing their problems, to sharing about the knowledge problem, and we sit together to discuss about the potential collaboration. Until now, there are more than 400 guests who come to our lab from 60 industries. So I invite you all the members of Aura and .asti to come to Bandung, Indonesia. It's only 4 hours from Philippines. Comparing to you have to go to US. So please come to Indonesia, meet with me and see our lab, and we can see what we can do together. This is all the guests who come to our lab. Most of them is to show about what kind of new technology that we provide in our lab. But after that, the discussion is more going to do the lab trial and then also the field trial. And we create together for a use case. Okay, one of the key programs that we do in Telkom TIP Community Lab in Indonesia is how we build local skill and capacity building. We know that Open RAN as an infrastructure is very important, but people behind that who use it and who develop it is also really important. So one of the program from the Ministry of ICT in Indonesia is we call it, the program is Digital Talent Scholarship Program. We are already become a partners from the Ministry of ICT since I think 4 years ago. So there are 5 schemes that Ministry of ICT share, and the goals is every year they give the scholarship for more than 60,000 new talents, 60,000 new digital talents in Indonesia. And at 2021, we're offering a new scheme for the Ministry of ICT, the scheme and curriculum about the Open RAN. So we already do the training program with the Ministry of ICT in 2021 and 2022. Each intake for 250 students with 12 classes. And this is done because the pandemic happened on that time. So we do it, the training, the certification by an online. So the lab remote doing by remote access, and we have 23 sessions for that, theory, and most of them is hands-on program, combined between industrial needs and also campus curriculum, and delivered by the Telkom University lecturers and also some of the industrial engineers. And at 2021, we get the appreciation award from the Ministry of ICT for TIP Community Lab, because we are the global technology who focusing and actively help the DTS program, especially we offering also the new scheme, the Open RAN new scheme. The other key program in Indonesia is also about the trial and deployment. Not only the activity in the lab, but activity also in the field. This is some of the example that we already done in Indonesia. We do the trial in Sumatra Island. Maybe some of you know Sumatra Island. We also bring a smart agriculture showcase on that event. we collaborate with Tech Bros, our member also in TIP, to do the showcase in Sumatra. And then also with Baicels, with KCC Tech, we have a 4G POC for Open RAN. This is in also in Sumatra Island. And the other one is 4G private network, BKNS plantation in Kalimantan Island, ongoing commercial engagement. So right now we will moving on not only in Java Island, but also separate island in Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi. And maybe some of you also knows that our capital city will be moved to Kalimantan. So we are working together also with the Ministry of ICT and also with the government, how we will develop the smart city in Kalimantan. And the other key program is about the policy engagement. We do know that the Open RAN not about the infrastructure, but the important thing, how we get along with others policymakers, with MNOs, with government, with academia, to preparing the Open RAN implementation roadmap. So Telkom University TIP Community Lab become a team in task force to preparing Open RAN implementation roadmap. What we do in the task force, if we do some scenarios, how finding the use case and implementation opportunities about that, and then also do the analysis about the percentage implementation target of entire network. And also right now we develop and create a national product. We call it RAN Merdeka. This will be an Open RAN Indonesia national product. And the latest one also about the global standard, because when we have a new product that create in Indonesia, and maybe we want to commercialize it not only in Indonesia but globally, we also have to prepare about the global standard. It has to be comply with the regulation also globally. This is the latest one that we do right now in Indonesia. We have another policy engagement with the US and Japan government. The first one is Open RAN feasibility studies. This is collaborate and grant from USTDA. So we do the trial for 1,600 in rural areas in Indonesia. And with Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communication, we will do the Open RAN 5G field trial with some use cases or practical application in mining, smart city, education. And TIP Community Lab will be the national Open RAN testbed and certification in Indonesia. So we do hope that after 2 projects, we will get the Open RAN national roadmap implementation. So last month, we signing the MOU between the Ministry of Education of Malaysia and Ministry of Education in Indonesia. So we agree to improve the quality of education in the border area. One of the problem is also about the connectivity. So we will create and develop a use case related to education, and we will improve the connectivity using the Open RAN and Open Wi-Fi. And I also invited all of you for our next event. This is our annual event. Will be the second year's of annual event. We call it TIP On. TIP On is TIP Open Network event will be held in Bandung on September 5th until 7th. So maybe you can join this event. Usually we do the exhibition. More than 30 industry vendors will join this event. And then there will be a training also, the training program, the workshop program, seminars, and also leaders talk and FGD meetings on this event. So maybe you can come to Bandung for this event. And last but not least, this is what I propose or we propose as a collaboration proposal with Aura community. We do know that we cannot do it by ourselves to deploy the Open RAN. So we can do it, the training together. The TIP Community Lab in Indonesia, in our university, can become the lab as a services. So hands-on training facility will be supporting IDG capacity building program under Aura. And then also we can do the TIP Academy program for professional. This is also we create every year in our lab. And because some of you also come from the university, we can also do the training together for the student as a credit earnings, because we also do the training for our student, not only Telkom University student, but some university in Indonesia. And last one, the Open RAN, POC, and commercial deployment. Okay, I do hope that we can work together. There is many opportunities. We can work hand in hand for acceleration, the economic growth, and also for better connectivity.